crazy, but I wanted to give you a tour. I was gonna do it earlier, but the maintenance people still had stuff up here. So now that they finally have that out, I do have my wagon and a couple things that I'm unpacking, but I wanna give you a tour. So we have a closet here. I already have some stuff in here. This is where the Wi-Fi will live, but like cloak closets and stuff. I'm gonna put like a table and things here for the entryway. We walk in, we have the kitchen, black appliances, which I really don't mind. I know everybody wanted stainless steel, but the main things that I really wanted, I got. So I really wanted to have an ice maker, which this fridge does have, and I wanted clear drawers so that I can see like my produce and stuff in there. So that works for me. So that's all that I really care about. And then I have a pantry closet, which is really nice. This is the kitchen, and it looks right over into the living room. This is the living room. I'm not sure how I want to set it up. I feel like I need to have the couch on this wall and then mount the TV this way. My mom says to do it the other way because then I could see the TV from the kitchen. Although I can still see the TV from the kitchen, but I just feel like my couch is really long and I'm pretty sure it's too long for that wall. So we'll have to see. We have a washer and dryer. That's very important. I would not live anywhere without a washer and dryer here in Cleveland. Then this is the second bedroom. This is the closet. I kind of want to do like a little closet build out here on one of the walls. This is also where my desk is going to be, where I work and stuff. So, but this is what the room looks like. I don't want to show you out the window because then you can see where I live, but. And then this is the bathroom. Just has a shower, which is fine. I never really take baths anyways. I'm gonna have to get like something to go over the toilet here for like storage because I don't have a linen closet. But then we have what is most likely going to be my bedroom. And yeah, since it has like the exposed piping and like the high ceilings, that's essentially what makes it a loft. So this is the apartment. I am excited. I just need to get packed. I have not really done a lot of packing, but my plan is to move the rest of the boxes tomorrow. So that Saturday, when my friends come help, the only thing that I need to do is move the actual furniture. So I have a lot to do tonight and tomorrow, but it will be worth it in the end. I just wanted to give you a little tour, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff up so I can get back home because I still have to walk Kobe tonight. I did bring him over here just so he can kind of like see the space before we put all of our stuff in here. And he seemed to have done okay. Wow, this is amazing that I can just set this up and talk to you guys. But yeah, he seemed okay for a little bit. He was definitely like, where am I? This is a new place. I think he's gonna really like having hardwood floors out here. The bedrooms do have carpet in it, but he's used to that. At my grandma's house, he spent a lot of time in her office, and that was hardwood floor, in the living room, which is carpet. So I think he'll like the fact that he has both again. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff unpacked so I can get home and take him for a walk. I probably won't check in with you guys tonight, but I will show you the rest of the moving process tomorrow and Saturday. Selling your house. Oh no, we need more than a 2-bedroom now. We need like a 4 if we're gonna be living together. We need 4 rooms. because we need space, okay? You be asking a lot of questions. No. Why you being messy? I was sad.
1 week later.
Way back, way back, way back, oh, way back. I met him when I was a little girl. He gave me poetry. He was my first, but in my heart I knew I wasn't the only one. Gone when the tables turned, he had to break. But whenever I got lonely, I needed some advice. He gave me his shoulder. His words were very nice, but that is all behind me. 'Cause now there is no other. Love is his and his is mine.
Good morning. I'm in the kitchen. I think I'm gonna try and like organize my pantry today. Just kind of like set it up and get like some rhyme of rhythm because I need to put these plates in there. And the way things are set up right now, there's just no space. Look at these gorgeous plates. And they have like ridging on the back. I think they're so gorgeous. I got these at Home Goods. My mom was actually there shopping and I was on the phone with her and I was like, what is that on the counter? Grab that. And I had her pick these up for me. So I need to get these put into the closet. So I need to organize it. Let me show you what I'm working with right now. So this is the pantry. As you can see, I literally just like stuffed everything in there. But I need to like get some type of system going here. So I think I'm gonna work on that. I don't think I'll be able to like really show you guys the process, but
You did to me. You did to me. You did to me. You did to me. You did to me.
I'm reporting you to your boss because you cussing on the job. I have to log into work at 3. I was trying to do some homework, and then I got a really annoying email, and I just didn't do it. But I did post a TikTok, and I did post a reel, so I got something done. But now I'm about to make a coffee. I was gonna make a matcha. I don't feel like making a matcha. I have to boil the water, and I don't even know where all my stuff is. Yeah, we're just gonna make a coffee. I'm a little annoyed. They haven't come to fix my dishwasher yet. So I'm like limited on cups. I want to set you guys up so you can see what I use. Stock brew, love that stuff. We have some almond milk, vanilla syrup, and brown sugar creamer. Out of 10, delicious. That was delicious. But my camera is now dying, and the only cord that I have to charge it is currently hooked up to my Fire Sticks. So I need to find another one, or I need to go buy one. So I'm gonna go look through my boxes and see if I can find another cord. Talk to you guys later.
You should be right here with me, baby.